Let's talk about XSE, external entity injection. You can see XML injections I'm talking about. So XML injection vulnerabilities arise when user input is inserted into a server-side XML document or SOAP message in an unsafe way. It may be possible to use XML meta characters to modify the structure of the resulting XML. Depending on the function in which the XML is used, it may be possible to interfere with the application's logic to perform unauthorized actions or access sensitive data. This kind of vulnerability can be very difficult to find, to hunt. Only 1% website having this vulnerability maybe. So you can alter the logic of the application basically. See this. Hunting of accesses attempts to inject XML or reverse reserved character into input parameters and observe if XML parsing errors are generated or not. You have to find the type of XML parameters, the input type of XML parameter, then you can use your payloads. So see this. If I'm using a food tag there and I'm giving a text, text, you can use anything. Let's say Vikash. Yes, I'll close the text first. I'll close the food now. So this is also HTML. See this? It's reflecting Vikash. So this is just very simple that we identify this. There is your XML is working there. Okay, we can give any input there. So let's see how we can modify this and to fetch some system configuration in files, sensitive information files by this vulnerability.